Hello MEYLE friends, today I will talk about stabilizers with you. As known to many, rattling and rumbling coming from the suspension and slightly causing indirect driving behavior is possibly caused by worn stabilizer mounts. Now comes the fun. Depending on the position in the car, those parts can be quite difficult to change. It is important to thoroughly prepare. Are all parts needed for the repair at hand? For example, mounts, clamps and fastening materials? Because of that, MEYLE is also offering repair kits which include all the necessary parts. This saves a lot of time and money. On such a defect, is it sufficient to change just the stabilizer mounts? My advice is, before you do the repair, check the contact surface of the stabilizer. Is the stabilizer itself corroded and has the surface been ground away? If so, then the complete stabilizer needs to be replaced. In our larger repair kit, part number in the description, we have included the stabilizer, the links and all the stabilizer mounting components. There are also different kinds of stabilizers. Here, I've brought another stabilizer from our parts range with me. This stabilizer is installed in a BMW 5 Series model F10. Now, this stabilizer has some special properties, which I shall explain. Easy to spot are the different pipe diameters. In addition, the stabilizer has different wall thicknesses. This system enables the torsion forces to be transferred 100% directly, without any slippage between the stabilizer and the stabilizer mounts. Because of this, the stabilizer mounts cannot be changed individually. Have a stable drive and see you soon.